Hi, having a good vacuum to keep your house and surroundings clean is absolutely essential. Due to that, there are dozens of trusted brands out there, and making the right decision is not so easy. The perfect choice highly depends on your needs and your situation. We spent more than 100 hours researching all the available vacuum cleaners in every category in order to create our top list to help you. You can check the products and their reviews if you click on the links in this description of this video. Watch our video and find your new vacuum easily.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
This is our SEB 236, very similar to our SEB 228 in both performance and functionality. However, the 236 has some beautiful design elements and some convenience features that you have to see in action. All right, girls, give me some room to work. Scoot, I'll feed you later. Go.
The SEB 236 has an elegant LED headlight that will assure nothing will escape. The SEB236 has an automatic standby switch. By simply lifting the handle, the power nozzle will automatically turn itself off. I then simply remove what's in the way, release the handle back, and the power nozzle will automatically start. Now, if I accidentally vacuum something that I shouldn't, it's not a problem. The SEB236 will automatically turn itself off. I simply hit the reset switch, and back to work I go.